I think that 44 class for me, this is fantastic people and fantastic, very fast boats. I'm absolutely new boy in this class without experience. 44 class gives me the chance to work together with absolutely professional team. I think it's very, very good idea. Our plan is very simple. In this year, listen and observe. After 3-4 years, our plan is maybe top 10, I don't know. I'm very happy and this is very nice. For me, this is after my job, after my work, this is a fantastic time.
Скажем, мы раньше гонялись на RC52 и были уже здесь не раз. Многие из нас живут в Италии. И что я еще могу сказать? Ну, для нас это не новость была, потому что класс растет. Вот поэтому мы попали сюда. Я не знаю, мы только изучаем эту яхту и вышли только 2 раза. Ее собирали. Посмотрим. Да, мы очень рады, что попали в этот флот. Очень интересный класс. И мы многих знаем, которые здесь гоняются. И мы очень рады, что я им еще скажу.
Today was an interesting day. We had a few matches with new teams, and so we had to work hard to make sure that we got out in front early just to be able to have an easy run at the conditions. Having 15 teams now is going to be hard in the fleet racing. All of a sudden the 10th result might look pretty good, but it's going to be about getting good starts, clean lanes early, and getting in the front pack in the initial part of the race is going to be pretty key. And if you don't, this group's going to swallow you up pretty quickly.
That for me was really great day. Like Krzysiek said, we won 2 races, what was so important for us for future, and we're just pushing forward.
I am tired, but tomorrow I will be fresh and ready to big game.